Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And today I'm gonna guide you how to do a linear graph in Excel. I'm gonna make a linear graph of force versus spring elongation, which by the line, the gradient of the line, we can find the spring constant. Okay, this thing can be applied also by another experiment. So first, I'm gonna put my data. Need to um, identify. We need to identify what is our x-axis and y-axis. So our axis in this experiment gonna be spring elongation, and our y-axis gonna be force. Okay, we can fix this because um we can't see everything, right? We can click at this line at between B and C, the line between B and C. Click two times. Yeah, so it fixed at its length. So I'm gonna put my data. Perfect. I'm gonna adjust my table. Put all borders. And then we're gonna make the outside of the table thick. Mm, yeah, that is more like it. I'm gonna color my cell so I can make a difference. It's gonna be green. Gonna blue. This one is green. Yeah. Gonna change the, yeah. Perfect. And this gonna color also. I'm gonna change the decimal places of my data because it's rough data. I'm gonna change it to two decimal places. So it's consistent, right? All the data is at the same decimal places. So by clicking at the right of your mouse, go to format cells, go to number, and yeah, it's already two here. Okay, so here it is. I'm gonna change the font of it to Calibri. You can design your table to your own preference. Not Calibri. Okay. Mm, so next thing you need to do is select all your data, the number, and go to insert, go to this charts section, pick this one, and choose this one. Okay, here, you get it. Okay, it's gonna label your dot by x-axis and y-axis. Okay, so then mm, we're gonna make our graph to be perfect by adding the title, horse versus spring. And you see the plus symbol here? Click it and go to axis title. So add label for your x-axis and y-axis. Okay, then we're gonna your axis label. So our x-axis is spring animation. It's all. It's a unit meter. Our y-axis is force. Notation F and Newton is I unit. After that, we want to have the linear line, right? So how to get it? Again, at this plus symbol, you click it, go to the trend line. Yeah, here, you got it. Okay, so go to more options to fix it. Like, why is that? We need a line. So go to it doesn't really make any difference between these two. You can change the color here, black or maybe red if you want it. You can follow your preference. So I'm gonna change it. I'm gonna change the dot to line at this dash dot. So here, the default of it, the automatic line that the Excel made made for it is round dot. So we're gonna change it to solid line. And here is it. I'm gonna change it to okay. I go with one width of the line. Okay, and also most of our physics graph required is to start at the zero. So we just can click at the set intercept reset by our own. So you can change this to anything, but here we want it to start from zero. So it start from zero. You can see it change a slight change a bit there. Okay, you can display your equation to get the value of the value of the gradient. Can also yeah move it, and here it is. You can see the difference when I do not set the intercept. You're gonna see the y-intercept, the value of y-intercept. There it is. It's 0.0073. Yeah. So in your lab report, you can put in your discussion that the value of the intercept is nearly zero, but you can also make it precisely start from zero at Excel. So here it is, the value of it. You can also change your graph at this provided chart styles. There's not much different, but actually we can see the difference, but it's not really much. Okay, I'm just gonna go with the basic one. Go to the default back, so I'm gonna change it. Okay, there. Alright, then our graph is done. You can complete your lab report just by copying this table and copy this and then paste at your lab report. And that's it. Thank you and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.